Hey guys, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is facing legal action before the Supreme Court. He has been accused of unlawfully presenting himself for inauguration as president despite a pending legal challenge against the conduct of the 2023 presidential poll. Citing the doctrine of pendens, Chief Albert Ambrose, the presidential candidate of the 2019 general election, is seeking to nullify Tinubu's inauguration as the Nigerian president and the winner of the 2023 presidential poll. Albert Ambrose, a constitutional lawyer, argued that the presidential election that produced Tinubu was an exercise in futility and illegal self-help given his ongoing suits against Tinubu and others at the Supreme Court before now. The pending Supreme Court suit number XC/667/2023 as Chief A.A. Albert Ambrose and Hope Democratic Party as applicants, with respondents including the former President Muhammadu Buhari, the AGF, INEC, and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Albert contends that Tinubu's declaration as president by INEC is an affront to the Supreme Court and established law due to lease pendens. He argues that as Tinubu is a party in the pending suit before the Appeals Court, he should not have presented himself for inauguration regarding any presidential poll. Albert contested the 2023 presidential election on the platform of Hope Democratic Party, HDP. He claimed to be the adjudged winner against the declaration of Buhari by INEC, a suit seeking an order of the court to declare him the constitutional winner of the 2019 election, currently pending before the Supreme Court, was voluntarily joined by Tinubu as an interested party on May 18 this year. In a fresh motion on notice served on Tinubu, Albert Ambrose also seeking an order from the Supreme Court to restrain the respondents, particularly Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, from further operating the Federation account pending the resolution of constitutional questions against the 2023 election. In a statement issued in Abuja alongside the civil group Hope African Foundation in respect of the suit, Albert contends that Tinubu, having become aware of the suit and voluntarily joined as an interested party, has breached the doctrine of lease pendens, making his purported inauguration ineligible to dismissal. The statement, signed by Anwar Ibrahim, the National Coordinator of African Hope Foundation, read in part: "We want to place on record that Tinubu's claim to the office of the president is affected by reason of this being lease pendens. This is so because, having joined the pending suit on the subject of mandate usurpation by Buhari, nothing ought to have been done until the final resolutions of disputed issues. There is no doubt that the present art of self-help and claim to occupy the office of the president by any of the parties in this action is an art of self-help and violates the law and the doctrine of lease pendens, which is to the effect that nothing should be done by parties to change or affect the subject matter before the court, so as not to prejudice the existing acquired constitutional rights and mandate of Chief Albert Ambrose as the adjourned constitutional winner of the 2019 presidential election. It is on record that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in recognition of the doctrine of lease pendens and the existing suit on the issue of usurpation of mandate between Albert and Buhari, joined the ongoing proceedings then in Court of Appeal on the 18th of May 2023 before his purported inauguration over the 2023 presidential electoral election. He is bound to await the outcome of the proceedings in the already existing issue of usurpation of constitutional mandates and entitlement to serve out the same by Ambrose. The implication of this by law is that the 2023 presidential election and its outcome, which Tinubu was unaware of before joining the suit, is summoned and dependent on the outcome of the existing legal proceedings on the subject of the already adjourned and yet to be served constitutional mandate of Ambrose to serve out the term of office of the President of Nigeria as required by law. Our laws in this regard concerning the doctrine of lis pendens has been well affirmed by the Supreme Court in the case of Peter Obi versus Ngige, as parties are to maintain and strictly observe the fact of the existence of pending suits and efficiency and potency of undermining the court's jurisdiction and engaging in art of self-help and the present usurpation of candidate parties and mandate the subject matter in the pending case. There is no doubt that this act of present of All Progressive Congress (APC) led central government in practical terms are clear acts of usurpation. As law-abiding citizens, we urge that Nigerians exercise patience in the due and early resolution of these outstanding issues to know who truly is the authentic Nigerian president. Ambrose, who claims to be the constitutional adjourned winner of the 2019 presidential election, has expressed his opposition to the inauguration of Tinubu or any other person as Buhari's successor. He urged that as the constitutional adjourned winner of the 2019 election, he has not completed his required 4 years tenure as stipulated by the law. One of Ambrose's main grievances is that Buhari has been occupying his office since 2019, asserting that the Supreme Court has not yet determined his petition filed in 2019 challenging the purported declaration of Buhari as the election winner. His initial suit was dismissed by Justice Eyong Edom of the Federal High Court in Abuja on January 30, 2023, leading him to appeal the decision of the Court of Appeal. On 25th May, the Court of Appeal in Abuja, in a judgment led by Justice Jemi Taku, refused to stop Tinubu's May 2029 inauguration. Justice Taku stated that Ambrose had engaged in a gross abuse of court processes by filing a frivolous a petition and a irritating suit to provoke the respondent. So guys, what's your take on this? Let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.